Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. In today's episode of Your Costco today, we're looking at something really cool and something I always wanted to get in a long time. Yes, it's the Ninja Crispi. I'm doing a full unboxing, a full review. We're doing an unpackaging. This thing is crazy. You can see what's in the packaging. Doing a full cooking test. We're going to look at everything. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video.
Another Costco item. I was walking in the store and of course I could not refuse that this thing is everywhere, all over Facebook, all over YouTube, all over everything, Instagram, it is everywhere. So I had to pick it up, I had to try it. I'm doing a quick unboxing. What's in here is 4-quart clean crisp glassware. That's what this is, the glass itself. So it's 4-quart, 2.5 quart, also a 6-cup, 3 leak-proof BPA free lids, and 3 crisper plates and an adapter. That's what's in this whole box. I'm gonna take everything out. We're gonna show it to you quick, one piece at a time. And then we're gonna do some testing. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna wash everything after. We're gonna do a full review. We're gonna try it out and see if this air fryer is any good. Everyone seems to love it. Let's open this up real quick. Let's see what's in here. I'm gonna be right back, take it all out. We're gonna look at everything one at a time, and then we're gonna continue this review. I've never seen so much packaging in my entire life. Packaging after packaging after box after box after box after box. I tell you, these guys pack this thing so well. You could drop it off the Empire State Building, and I don't think it would have broken. I've never seen the detail and the packaging. You could just see all this stuff here. I mean, box after box, big boxes. This box had nothing in it, just to fill a box. I mean, just craziness. I just had to tell you about that. It looks huge, but honestly, let's take a look at it on the table. It's not as much as you think it is. Okay, so here is everything on the table, all laid out. So here are all the pieces that we talked about, okay? Here is the big one, the big casserole dish right here with the lid already on it. This was separate. This was boxed by itself, which I have to tell you, Ninja absolutely give you props. You know how to pack. I've just never seen anything quite like it. Here is the crisp tray inside here. This must pop. I don't know if this pops out. Yeah, they all come out. They all go, everything's washable. So this was already installed in here. Here is a nice large glass one here. Nice and large, you can see that. This comes in and out like that, super easy. Right there. And here is one of the lids. That's on here. Here is the next size right here. And this is the lid here. This is this crisp, they call it the crisper. Here is the next size right here. You can see the glass. Made very well, guys. I'm telling you, Ninja, nice job. I tell you, they really come a long way. They do a nice job. I'm very, very impressed with everything so far. And here is another lid that goes on here. There's a lid for that one. Okay. Then we have the smaller one here. Again, same thing. Here's a little small one here. So this is really great for like a grilled cheese sandwich, a couple of chicken fingers for the kids. You know, someone just wants a quick snack. This is a great idea how that works. I have to figure all this stuff out. Just got to go. I just want to show you just a quick unboxing that. And then also you do get on the lid here. I don't know if this is for this one. Let me see if this one, yeah, this is like a little, this snaps. Let me just see here. I don't know if this snaps in here or what. Yeah, so this snaps in here like that. There's a quick snap for that one. And I'm not sure what this is all about. I have to figure that out. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a lid for underneath here. I'm not sure. Again, I just opened it up. I just want to do the unboxing and just show you exactly what's in here. We'll have to figure all this stuff out. But this is what's in the package. I think this is the head that goes on top of the cradle from one of the dishes, I believe. I think something like this. Again, I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to figure all that out. And this is the power, we'll call this the power head. This is where all the energy comes out, all the heat, all the fan, everything like that. This is where the action is. This is where all the modes are. You have bake, air fry, max, crisp, and also deep warm, all kinds of control. Feels really, really good on the hand. Really good. No problem with that. Feels really good. Bunch of ideas here. Keep warm, all kinds of ideas for crisping, temperature adjustments, things like that. I like the color. The color's really cool. I like that. And the instruction book and all the cover. So this is what's all included in that big box. I know, right? It's crazy. All this stuff was included in that big box. I guess that's cool.
Okay, guys, so listen, this is just a quick unboxing. I just want to show you a little bit what's in this package. You can see everything that's in here. It's absolutely amazing. Stay tuned to the channel and subscribe. We're going to be doing some cooking. This was just an unboxing. I want to show you what was in the package and just give you an idea what was in here. And this is what it was in the package. So subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing some cooking in this in the future, and we'll make a few things, and I'll show you how that works as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the channel for more. I'll leave some links down below in the field, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.